Dobrodošli!
I'm not up for interviews. Not saying anything.
Evo ga, nastavljamo Urban Trash, dolazimo na mjesto broj 2. Vidjet ćemo kako će nas sudionici da se pokažu. Place je jako dobar, bolji, teži nego prvi. Idemo, da vidimo. Došli smo, koliko već vidimo, momci se već zagrijavaju, vidite, to je naprosto odlično. Pogled na šipku, naprosto fenomenalno, naši mladići su već krenuli, momci koji nisu bili na prvom plesu, vidite, naš momak iz Splita, baš nam je lijepo, super i zakon i idemo dalje da vidimo. Još malo pa počinjemo. Restruč!
Once upon a time you dressed so fine, threw the bumps of dime in your prime. Then you, people call, say beware doll, you're bound to fall. You thought they were all kidding you. You used to laugh about everybody that was hanging out. Now you don't talk so loud. Now you don't seem so proud about having to be scrounging your next meal. How does it feel? How does it feel to be without a home? Like a complete unknown, like a rolling stone. Oh, you've gone to the finest school, all right, Miss Lonely, but you know you only used to get juiced in it. Nobody's ever taught you how to live out on the street, and now you're gonna have to get used to it. You say you never compromise with a mystery tramp, but now you realize he's not selling any alibis. As you stare into the vacuum of his eyes and say, do you want to make a deal? How does it feel? How does it feel to be on your own with no direction home? A complete unknown, like a rolling stone. Oh, you never turned around to see the frowns on the jugglers and the clowns when they all did tricks for you. Never understood that it ain't no good. You shouldn't let other people get your kicks for you. You used to ride on a chrome horse with your diplomat, who carried on his shoulder a Siamese cat. Ain't it hard when you discover that he really wasn't where